Meaning of Erewhon.
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 Erewhon. Erewhon is a novel by Samuel Butler published in 1872. The title is a play on the word nowhere which, when spelt backwards, becomes Erewhon. The book is a satirical work that critiques Victorian society through a fictional journey to a utopian society where machines and technology are banned, illness is believed to be a crime and criminals are treated as patients. Through this, Butler explores themes such as the limits of progress and the dangers of social conformity. Erewhon is considered a classic example of utopian literature and has influenced many writers and thinkers.